Sam's proposal had a significant place and date. It happened the same day the U.S. Supreme Court decided it'll rule on whether gay couples have the right to marry across all states. As our Washington correspondent Arthi Pol reports, the issue is contentious and the ruling could be one of the most anticipated this year.
It is my joy to pronounce you legally married.
Together for 30 years, this couple started 2015 by finally exchanging vows after Florida joined the growing list of states that permit same-sex marriage.
It means we're equal. We have equal rights with everybody else. We have the same protection.
Soon that could become a reality for all same-sex couples in the United States. The U.S. Supreme Court announced it will make a decision on the controversial issue. It will decide if the Constitution requires states to grant same-sex couples marriage licenses and if states must recognize gay marriages performed elsewhere.
There will not be many cases like this that we're going to look back in 100, 200, 300 years and say, gosh, that was a critical moment in the country's history.
Canada legalized gay marriage in 2005, one of more than a dozen countries around the world to recognize same-sex unions. In the U.S., more than a decade ago, it wasn't permitted in any state. Now, it's authorized in 36, banned in 14.
It's been a long road and journey, but hopefully soon we'll know that it's worth the wait.
Dana Nessel represents one of 4 same-sex couples who will stand before 9 justices in the highest court of the land in April. The Michigan couple has been together 8 years.
We saw something that was wrong and we decided we needed to make it right.
But those who support state bans on gay marriage don't believe it's an issue for the courts.
Is it a handful of federal judges that get to decide this important policy question of marriage, or is it the American people at the ballot box and through our democratic institutions?
There's a lot riding on the Supreme Court ruling. Depending on the decision, same-sex marriages could become legal across the United States. But a decision in the opposite direction could challenge the validity of marriages already legalized in other states. A ruling is expected in June. Arthi Pol, Global News, Washington.